Yeah.
Trick 28 Splash Potion Bomb. Using the family filter, we can target only mobs and blow them away. Command attacks nearby mobs. Command B creates an explosion effect. Command C knocks them backward. No, just grab any splash potion and throw it. With the family condition, you can create amazing custom items. Try this explosion potion in your world.